Hi everybody, it's Judy. Okay, this dance is called Falling Rain. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, absolute beginner dance. Choreographer is Margaret Swift, and the music is Rhythm of the Rain by the Cascades. Right? This dance is going to work a little bit on the jazz box. All right, jazz box and a paddle turn. This will be a full teach. So weight is on your left foot. You're going to start with 4 toe struts. So your toe strut, starting with the right, put your toe forward and drop your heel. Put your weight onto that foot. Toe, drop your heel. Toe, drop your heel. Toe, drop your heel. Your weight should end up on your left foot, right? So weights on your left foot. We're going forward with the right, doing the toe strut. Ready, begin. So it's toe, drop your heel, left, toe, drop your heel, toe, drop your heel, toe, drop your heel. So every time you drop your heel, you put weight onto that foot. Let's do it one more time. We'll do it with counts. Weights on your left foot. Ready, begin. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. Ready, begin. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. You're now going to do 2 1/8 turn pivots. So the pivot turn, I'm just going to turn sideways to try and show you. The pivot turn, you kind of use that right foot to push yourself around. So you're going to step on the right, putting weight onto it, and you're just going to pivot on the ball of your foot and 1/8 of a turn and transfer your weight back to that left foot. And then you'll step on your right. See how the hip goes out over the right to use it to turn, and another 1/8 turn. So it's a 1/4 turn pivot. If your shoes, okay, because you're pivoting on the balls of your feet, all right, if your shoes don't really turn on the floor, all right, then all you're going to do is step, step 1/8, step, step 1/8. Okay, so don't try and turn the ball of your foot on the floor, just step it around, right? Just use your hips as well. So we've just finished our left toe strut. So it's step, 1/8 turn, weight goes to the left foot, step to the right, transfer your weight to your left foot. All right? So from the top, we'll just move back here a bit. All right, just from the pivot turn. So weights on your left foot. We've just finished the toe strut. So it's step, turn 1/8, step, turn 1/8, and then you're going to do a jazz box. So the jazz box is a triangle, okay? It's half of a box, all right? So you're going to step out to the top of that triangle, stop. So it looks like you cross over. You're not crossing way over here. You're more in front, just on a slight diagonal. So cross, stepping on your right foot. You're going to step back on your left foot. Then you're going to step your right foot to the right, all right? It's the jazz box, it's a 3 count step. And then for your 4th count, we're just going to cross over. Okay, so you're stepping more forward than crossing way over here, right? So the jazz box, weights on your left foot, here's your triangle, all right? So you're going to the top of the triangle, back down, across, and then we'll just step across slightly. If you step forward, that's fine as well. Okay, so those last 8 counts, we've just finished our toe strut. Weights on our left foot. So you're going to do 2 1/8 turns, okay, for a 1/4 turn pivot. So it's step, turn 1/8, step, turn 1/8, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Weight ends up on your left foot and you're facing the 9 o'clock wall. Let's go from the very, very top. Okay, starting with your toe struts. Ready, begin. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, eighth turn, cross, back, side, cross. Okay, let's do that again with counts. Weights on your left foot. Ready, begin. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's your pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jazz. 5, 6, 7, cross 8. All right, that's half the dance. We're now going to repeat those last 8 counts. You're going to step forward on your right foot, pivot an 8th turn, step on your right foot, pivot an 8th turn, transferring your weight to the left, and then you're going to do a jazz box. So cross, back, side, and just cross over slightly. Okay, so the second section it repeats itself in the third section. So let's go from the top. Weights on your left foot. Ready, begin. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross. Weights on your left foot. Okay. To finish up the dance, you're going to do a vine to the right, so side, behind, side, touch, and a vine to the left, side, behind, side, touch. It's the end of dance, right? It's a 2-wall dance, so you're going to end up facing the front wall or the back wall. Let's go front wall from the very top. Ready, begin. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross, vine to the right, touch, vine to the left, touch. Ready to start the dance again with your toe struts. Okay, looking good. Let's do the back wall, right? Weights on your left foot. You're going to start with your toe struts. Ready, begin. So toe strut, toe drop your heel, toe drop your heel, toe drop your heel. All right, just go that far. From the top with counts. Ready, begin. Toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're now going to do your pivots. So step, turn an 8th, step, turn an 8th, and a jazz box. Cross, back, side, and cross over. Right. Let's just go that far. Weights on your left foot. Ready, begin. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross. Repeat that. Pivot 8, jazz box with a cross. Okay, let's just go that far. Weights on your, because you can't see me, so we'll do a couple extra on the back wall. Weights on your left foot, starting with your toe struts. Ready, begin. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross. Pivot 8, jazz box with, here's your vine, side, behind, side, touch, vine to the left, side, behind, side, touch. Start the dance again with your toe struts. Okay, let's try 2 walls without stopping. Right? Weights on your left foot. Ready, begin. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross, pivot 8, cross, back, side, cross, vine to the right, touch, vine to the left, and toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, pivot 8, pivot, here's your jazz, cross, back, side, cross, pivot 8, jazz box with a cross, bind to the right, touch, bind to the left, touch, start the dance again with your toe struts. Okay, let's try it to music, looking good. Okay, this dance has a 16 count intro. Let's start on the vocals. Weights on your left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut. Here's your pivots. Jazz, cross, back, side, cross, pivot. Cross, back, side, bind. Here's your toe struts. Two pivots. Cross, back, side, cross, pivot. Start again. Start again. Pivot. To the front and take your bow. Nice job, guys. Well done.